Hey guys, I want to tell you about a product that I found called Workman's Friend. This is not new. There's some people out here on YouTube that swear by this, so I thought I would try it. It is a barrier skin cream. So it's a skin cream, but it also forms a barrier on your hands that's supposed to make it easier to get things off when you get things on your hands. So we're going to test that. I'm going to put it through its paces today and see how it performs. I can tell you it does feel very good on your hands. It dries quick, and after it dries it feels like you have nothing on your hands. So I really like that. There's some other products out there that a lot of folks swear by that are sticky and just really feel bad on your hands. But this is not one of those. I like it. So let's put it through its paces today. Stick with us.
You're watching Patrick Parson Workshop.
I'm going to apply Workman's Friend here to one of my hands and not the other, and then I'm going to get a bunch of different stuff on my hands and see how easily it comes off one hand versus the other. Alright, so my hands are clean and dry, and I'm going to apply Workman's Friend to my right hand but not my left hand. Alright, it's been about 5 minutes and my right hand is dry. Of course, my left hand is uncoated. For the first test, and I'm going to use my index fingers for this, I'm going to run my hand across this rusty and greasy wrench. For my next finger, which is going to be my middle fingers, I'm going to apply this DAP plastic wood to each one. I got a little dab of it right here. Test number 3 for my ring fingers is going to be a little bit of this Krylon Color Max paint and primer. Alright, for test number 3 here, which is going to be my pinky, using this Danish oil from Watco. And for my last test, which is going to be my thumbs, I'm going to use this piece of charcoal. I believe this was Match Light, if that matters to you. Alright, so I've got equal coverage here on both hands. I'm going to give this a couple minutes to dry, and then we'll go inside and try to wash it off and see what happens. Alright, so how did we do? Here is the left hand. See on that first finger, there is still some stuff there. Thumb and little finger came out reasonably clean there. You can see the red paint. This is the right hand. It looks like the thumb is okay. First finger, it looks a little bit cleaner than the first finger on the other hand. All right, the middle fingers here, looks like they both came out okay. Now it does look like the red hung on there a little bit better on the untreated hand. Now I wasn't washing this hand over here, or either hand for that matter, myself. My wife was washing my hand for me. If you've ever had anybody wash your hand, it's not exactly how you would wash your hand. So I think I could easily get this off over here. The little fingers look like they are both good to go. They're both clean. Alright, so how did it do? Leave me a comment down here and tell me if you've used it or how you think it did on this comparison. I think it did pretty well. I like the way it feels on my hands. It's in a nice, handy little, easy to use, easy to throw in your pocket or your bag tube. And it's not a miracle. It's not a coating you can put on your hands and they're impenetrable, but I do think it is very usable. So tell me what you think, and I'll see you on the next video.